If you're looking for the best cleaning products for your garden, lovegardening.com have a range of exclusive specialised cleaning products from Spray and Away. These products contain no harmful chemicals and tackle a whole range of tasks around your garden. Keeping your greenhouse or polytunnel free of unwanted bacterial and fungal diseases is a simple task by regular spraying with Dirt Destroyer. Allowing light through your greenhouse windows or polytunnel is an essential element for plant health. Using window wash will make cleaning your greenhouse glass quick with fantastic results. Removing stubborn dirt and sap buildup from your polytunnel cover was a time-consuming operation. Not anymore. Use Poly Purifier. It cleans polytunnel covers fast with minimal effort. Many gardens suffer from mould, lichen and algae buildup on patios, paths and garden ornaments. A new breakthrough from Spray and Away means simply spray once with mould, lichen and algae remover and walk away. That's it. Nature does the rest. As you can see, within a few weeks you are left with amazing results. To find out more, watch the product videos.